How's y'all doing? How's the conference so far? Yeah, good, good. I appreciate that. Well, hello everyone. My name is Dave Smith. I'm a developer advocate at Google on IoT platforms. And I'd like to spend some time talking to you today about some of the developer platforms that we've been working on, specifically in the areas of IoT, and a little bit about the Google Assistant. So let's dive right into this. So computing has evolved over the years. For anyone who has additional questions about any of these platforms, and you can connect with me directly. Later on today, we also have hands-on training for Android things, where you can actually get your hands on some of these devices and play with them and build an application. And we've got another one for the Google Assistant and Actions on Google tomorrow. So be sure to check those out. Oh, and one more thing. We want to get you started on the right path by building cool devices for IoT. So everyone who has attended this session today is going to go home with one of our NXP Pico developer kits for Android things. Make sure you grab a card on your way out from one of the attendants, and you can pick up your kit downstairs. So thanks so much for your time, everyone, today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
I did. Oh. If you think you're going to get me to say that thing I said once, I'm not going to say it. Anyway, welcome to Krakow, welcome to Poland, obviously, and welcome to this session on Kotlin. Now, I'm assuming the majority of you here have probably heard of Kotlin. Just assume that it is success because the compiler has done that for me. So these are some of the things that Kotlin provides you in order to be able to work more concisely and more fluently and more rapidly and more fun. Thank you.
This is Zero to App, and in this talk we are going to be building a universal translator with Firebase and Google Cloud Platform in front of your very eyes. Sound like a plan? Cool. And it takes 3 of us to do it, to build an app all together. So I'm going to be doing a lot of the talking and some of the coding. I'm Jen, and joining me is...
Hi, I'm Kathy.
I'm Brett.
...in your app dev quiver that you can use to solve all of your app dev problems. So I want all of you to go out there and try and build stuff with this formula. And I want you to tell us about what you've built, because we love hearing from you. So go ahead, build stuff, and then let us know how it goes. So we'd love to hear from you about questions, concerns, and just awesome stuff you want to share. Here are our Twitter handles. We love hearing from you. DMs are definitely welcome. And of course, getting a little meta here, we love feedback on our sessions as well. So please go ahead and scan this QR code or go to the URL at the bottom of the page and let us know what you thought of this session. And with that, thank you all very much.
There's the management of the servers. So you're managing a bunch of servers. You need DevOps. You need to scale those servers. That usually means paying for excess capacity. So when your users are away on a long weekend, which take in full Express applications, and they can pull in any of the powerful libraries available to you on NPM. So I hope I was able to convince you that with Cloud Functions for Firebase, you can do all of the things, and you don't need a server. Thank you.
All right. All right. How's everybody doing? Hello. Good? All right. All right, yeah. We made it work. That's right. I'm David. I am a partner at a New York City-based digital agency called Posse. We work with large brands and large companies to launch mobile apps.
And we have instructor-led trainings for both Firebase and Flutter today and tomorrow.
And we hope that our talk today inspires you all, that these aren't just cool technologies. Real businesses at real scale are using these out there today to run production code. So we hope that you can embrace some of the learning you had here today and go out and try something amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Give us a wave! We have got a lot of content for you.
So on stage, we have 5 speakers going to talk about a variety of topics. So I will start with Android Wear and some of the things that you may not know about, or some of the top tips as we develop for Android Wear 2.0. Then we are going to have Mark, who will give an update on Android TV. Give us a wave. Woohoo! And then we have Santiago, who's going to give us an update on XO Player. And then we have Aga, who will take you behind the scene on our development of Android Wear 2.0 and some of the components that we have built. And last, but definitely not least, we have Dan, who's going to talk about Pro Audio or Android Audio.
Android Audio, yeah. Android Audio.
So get your hashtag ready. Each of our speakers have 6 minutes. Actually, my clock have already started. What's going on? OK, so let's get going.
In fact, in some ways, almost easier because it's C++ on both older and newer versions of Android. So pretty cool. It's going to have similar concepts. It's going to use DLSim runtime linking to talk to audio, or it's going to have a back end that talks to OpenSLES. So cool, and that's it. We've covered it in 4 minutes. It's that easy. And it really is. Like honestly, the audio developers we've worked with who've used this API already have come back and said, "Thank you." And how many people here have actually tried using OpenSLES to do their audio app? See, that's how popular it is. Anyway, so on behalf of myself and all of the presenters who come to the stage to do lightning talks, thank you all for coming. And we're going to have office hours. So today you can come to Android Wear office hours. We're going to have Android Auto office hours tomorrow and XO Player office hours. So if you have any burning questions you've had on any of these topics, please come by and talk to us. You can also, if you see me out there, I can try to answer questions on Android on A Audio, which is also pretty cool. And that's it. So thank you on behalf of the panel.
GDD Europe, thank you for coming out, and thank you for coming in for my talk. I'm Gus Klass, and I'm a developer program engineer on the Google Cloud IoT Core product. And today I'm going to be talking about Google Cloud IoT Core. This talk is a technical deep dive. This means that I'm going to be starting at the high level, where you can get more information about that. So if you go to cloud.google.com/IoT Core, you can sign up for the beta, and you can learn more about the product, such as details. And yeah, so it's kind of, it's like the cusp of the exciting time for this product. Sometimes some things don't work, but we're kind of working through that. And so thank you for attending my talk. I really appreciate your time. And if you want to see more demos and you want to chat with me more about the products, I'll be hanging out at office hours tomorrow, all afternoon, and I'll be here after the talk too. So yeah, thank you.